Mental generals from alphabet B. Starting with Baptisia, aversion to mental exertion, want a power to think, inability to fix mind on work. Stupor, falls asleep while being spoken to, or in the midst of his answer. Feels as if head and body were scattered about, tosses about to get the pieces together. Next come to Beretta, memory deficient and threatened idiocy. Next come to Belladonna, imagines ghosts, hideous faces and various insects. Fear of imaginary things, want to run away from that imaginary things. Violent delirium, tries to escape. Disposed to bite, spit, strike and tear things. Next come to Bismuth. Solitude is unbearable for Bismuth. Child holds mother hand for company. Anguish, he sits, then walks, then lies, never long in one place. Restlessness seen in Bismuth. Next come to Borax. Dread of downward motion in nearly all complaints. It is the key point of this remedy. Child cries and clings to the nurse. Anxiety with horseback riding, seen in Borax. Excessive nervous from slightest noise, cough, sneeze, a cry, lighting a match, etc. Even slightest sound produces profound nervousness in case of Borax patient. Child awakes suddenly, dreaming and gripping sides of cradle. Next come to Bovista. Awkwardness, drop things from powerless hand. Objects fall from powerless hand. Inclined to drop things from hand. Next come to Brownia. Elements from chagrin, mortification and anger. After anger chilly but with head hot and face red. It is Brownia patient. In delirium, talk constantly about his business. Tries to get out of bed and go home. It is Brownia patient. Desire things immediately which cannot be had or which when offered are refused. Child dislike to be carried or to be raised. Then compare child of alphabet A and B. Abrodanum, ill-natured, inhuman, cruel child. Ethusa child is idiotic, incapacity to think, confused. Antim crude child cannot bear to be tossed or looked at, angry at little attention. Antim tart child clings to those around, want to be carried, will not let you feel the pulse. R sub child, teething children want to be carried. Borax child cry and clings to the nurse. Delirium compare. Agaricus, with constant raving, tries to get out of bed in typhoid and typhus. In Belladonna, the delirium is violent and patient tries to escape. In Brownia, talk constantly about his business, desire to get out of bed and go home. In delirium. Hope you like it. It will help you. Thank you.